Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to reference an image while painting in Substance Painter, using a Roblox dummy character as an example. First, make sure your model is loaded in Substance Painter, just like this Roblox dummy. Now, create a new fill layer. In the Properties window, find the Base Color option and select the Color Picker tool. If you've got an extended monitor set up, that's perfect. You can open your reference image on the second screen and use the color picker to grab colors directly from it. If not, no worries, just open your reference image next to Substance Painter on the same screen, and you can still pick colors easily. To paint on another layer, simply add a new fill layer, then right-click it and choose Add Black Mask. After that, add a paint effect to the mask, and you can start painting with another color you pick from your reference. You can repeat this process as many times as you want to match your reference perfectly. Super easy and super useful for color accuracy. Thanks for watching, and happy painting!